Connecting a Hostinger domain to your Wix website involves a few steps to ensure seamless integration. Here's how to do it. Log into your Hostinger account. Open the Hostinger website and sign in using your credentials. Access Domain Management. In your Hostinger dashboard, navigate to the Domain section. Here, you will see a list of your registered domains. Select your domain. Click on the domain you want to connect to your Wix website. Change DNS settings. Look for the DNS settings option. You will need to update the name servers or DNS records using Wix name servers. If you prefer using Wix's name servers, replace the current name servers with Wix's. Using A records. Alternatively, you can point your domain to Wix by adding or modifying A records. Set the A record to point to Wix's IP address. Log into your Wix account. Open the Wix website and log in. Navigate to the domain section in your Wix dashboard. Connect your domain. Choose the option to connect an existing domain and follow the prompts to complete the connection process. Wait for propagation. Changes may take up to 48 hours to propagate. Once completed, your Hostinger domain will be successfully connected to your Wix website.